Hello everyone, welcome to FinBuff. In this video, we shall discuss and analyze which stocks can we trade tomorrow. Tomorrow is 2nd of June. So basically, we shall figure out the stocks which have good potential for trading tomorrow, and this will be done on the basis of simple price action strategies and techniques. Hope you like this video, and please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So let's have a look at the Nifty Index first. Nifty Index did gap up today and it did quite well. It was quite positive and performed pretty well. It looks like Nifty will continue its rally and it might face some resistance at the 10,000 level, but it does look like tomorrow is also going to be a positive day for Nifty by the looks of the charts. Now let's look at the stocks that we can potentially trade. I have some stocks for long side and some stocks for the short side. First one is Coal India. This is for the long side. So Coal India is now at a looks like it's at a breakout level. It has come to this level the first time, then the second time. Now it's at the same level the third time. So there's a very good potential that it can break out from here and give us a good up move tomorrow. Similarly, let's have a look at Canara Bank. If we look at Canara Bank, it has been hitting the level of 91, 92 for quite some time. So there is a very good potential that Canara Bank can break out from this level and go up tomorrow. So we shall wait and see how Bank Nifty performs, and accordingly we shall take a trade in Canara Bank. The next stock for the buy list is Cadila. So if we look at Cadila, it is at the 350 level for quite a few days now. It came there once, went down, came back again. So there's a good potential that Cadila can go up tomorrow. The next in the list is Biocon. Now, Biocon is actually for a short list. It's not for buying, it's for shorting. The reason why I say that it is Biocon is right now at an all-time high. So there is a possibility that people might book profits tomorrow and we could see a downfall in Biocon. So we shall be keeping Biocon for shorting tomorrow. The next in the short list is Lupin. Today, even though the markets performed pretty well, Lupin actually fell and it's at a round number of 850. So the expectation is that Lupin will continue to fall tomorrow. Of course, we shall have to wait and observe and see what happens and then trade accordingly. But Lupin is definitely for the short list. And the last stock that we have in our list for shorting is Indigo. Now, if we look at Indigo, Indigo is kind of trading in a channel right now. It's basically in a squeeze. And right now it is at a round number of 950. So there is a good potential that Indigo might fall tomorrow. And if it does fall, we could see a potential fall of about 30 40 rupees in Indigo. Of course, again, like said, we'll have to wait, observe, and see, and then enter at the right point for the trade. But definitely, Indigo has a good potential for a fall. So these are the list of stocks that we can potentially trade tomorrow. I shall keep an eye out on these stocks and I shall trade accordingly. Uh, hope you've uh, hope you've basically gotten an idea of the stocks that we can trade and the logic and the reason behind these particular stocks and why we have considered these stocks for the trades tomorrow. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I wish you all the best for a good and successful trading day tomorrow. Thank you.